Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Dada. In this video, we are going to cover some of the basic mistakes to avoid in coding interviews. Mistake number 1, ignoring the problem requirement. Many candidates rush into coding without fully understanding the question. This leads to incorrect solutions or missing edge cases. So how can you avoid these mistakes? Well, understand the problem first. Don't jump instead into the coding. Take time to read the question and ensure you understand it fully. If you are unsure, ask the interviewer for clarification. Next up, overlooking edge cases. This is a major red flag in coding interviews. For example, if you are working with arrays, what happens if the array is empty or contains only one element? You should always think about these scenarios like empty inputs, null values, or large datasets and discuss them with your interviewer before you start coding. Next up, we have mistake number 3, writing messy code. Always make sure that you write very clean and simple code. And also make sure if you can avoid overly complex logic, and if you can also try to write meaningful variable names and keep your code as much organized as you can. And the last one, make sure you use comments to explain tricky parts of your code. Mistake number 4, we are focusing on brute force solutions. Sure, they work, but they are often inefficient. So make sure when you are done with the problem, always discuss how you could improve the time and space complexity. This shows that you are thinking like a professional developer. Next up, we have mistake number 5, skipping test cases. This is one of the biggest mistake because writing code is not enough. You need to test it thoroughly. After coding, run through the examples provided in the questions, or not, you can definitely create your own. It's your chance to prove that your solution works in all scenarios. Now let's have a look at the bonus tip. Interviews are as much about the communication as they are about coding. So explaining your approach clearly and asking clarifying questions can make a great impression. Always make sure that you stay calm. Don't panic if you get stuck. Talk through your thought process. Brush up on Java basics. Let's say if you are going for a Java interview or any of other programming languages, make sure you brush up the core concepts and also practice coding solutions under the time constraints. And the key reminder is, remember, coding interviews are as much about the problem solving and communication as they are about writing code. Approach each challenge with curiosity and don't be afraid to share your thought process. It shows how you think. Appreciate that interviewers are human too. They are also rooting for you and want to see you succeed. Win or lose, every interview is a learning opportunity, so celebrate your growth. Keep striving, stay positive, and trust that your hard work will pay off. And yes, that's it for today. Avoiding these mistakes and you will have a much better chance of nailing your interview. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellows, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep coding and good luck with your interviews. Bye.